now we just take our stuffing here and stuff our pork chops. Alright, got our nice stuffed pork chops. And you know what you can also do with this too? You could also even stuff your pork loin roast. Instead of that feta and spinach and seasoning, just stuff it with this. Nice and spread out. You don't want it too full because once you go to roll this up, it's not gonna, everything's gonna want to just fall out the sides. So just go ahead and start rolling it up, just like that. There we go. Nice and stuffed, and we'll get some twine out and we'll tie that up.